Erica Matheson, a mortgage broker at Townsend Mortgage Company, analyzes mortgage data. She wants you to help her with the analysis, so she has provided you with a list of 5 mortgages to begin with. The worksheet contains the loan number, house cost, down payment, mortgage rate, and the length of the loan in years. You will enter formulas to perform basic calculations that can help her when visiting with the clients. The first formula calculates the amount financed. It is calculated by subtracting the down payment from the house cost. You enter the original formula with relative cell references. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down the amount financed column quickly. Look at the copied formulas and notice that the row numbers in the cell references change as you copy the formula down the column because you used relative cell references in the formula. The second formula calculates the rate per period by dividing the annual mortgage rate by the number of payments per year. Cell F9 displays an error instead of a calculated result, and an error icon displays to the left of cell F9, indicating that the copied formula has an error. In this instance, using relative cell references creates a problem with the copied formula. As you copy the formula down, the divisor, B5, changes when it should always divide by the value in cell B5. Pressing F4 changes a cell reference to absolute, mixed, or relative within a formula. An absolute cell reference is indicated by a $sign before the column letter and before the row number. When you copy the revised formula down the rate per period column, the mortgage rate on each row is always divided by the value 12 stored in cell B5, since it is an absolute reference. The third formula calculates the total number of payment periods for the life of the loan by multiplying the number of years by the payments per year. Pressing F4 twice makes the cell reference mixed, such as $5. A mixed cell reference includes both a relative and absolute reference. In this case, column B is relative and row 5 is absolute. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down the number of payment periods column. The copied formulas always multiply by the mixed cell reference $5. When constructing formulas, determine if you need cell references to change or remain constant when you copy them. If you need a cell reference to change relative to the direction you will copy a formula, use a relative cell reference. If you need a cell reference to never change when it is copied, use an absolute reference. To simplify a formula, you can often use a mixed reference to prevent either the column or the row from changing as you copy a formula.